you're an economist and you didn't even know it. Many people believe that economics is a complicated and boring field. Some even believe that it's for people who wear suits and work in big banks. We sometimes see graphs and hear terms like monetary policy and just zone out. Well, my friends, I'm here to tell you that it's not true. Economics is simpler than you think. Hello and welcome back to your Economics with Eunice. My name is Eunice Olaleye, and this is the show where we connect lifestyle, policies, money, and everyday choices to help you understand basic economic principles and make smarter decisions. Let's debunk some of these common myths. Myth 1. Economics is only practiced by experts. Well, this is pretty much one of the biggest myths. The truth is, you practice economics every day. Let's think about today. You had a choice to go to the market or the office, and you had to choose between ordering a cab or a ride, which is pretty much expensive but fast. And you also had the choice to wait for a commercial vehicle, which is cheap, but you have to spend at least 1 hour or 2 hours in traffic. The moment you made a decision to pick a ride, you weren't just choosing one. Instead, you were weighing the cost of your money against the cost of your time. My friends, this is a core economic principle called opportunity cost. You are giving up something, in this case, your money, to gain something else, your time, or the other way around. So every time you set a budget for food, or you pick a job over another, you are acting as an economist. Don't forget that. Myth 2. Economics is just about the money. Of course, money is a huge part of the conversation, but economics is way more than just naira notes and bank transfers. So what is economics? Economics is the study of how we manage scarce resources. Let's take Lagos and Port Harcourt as a case study. These cities where the hustle culture is very prevalent. Why do so many people have a main job and a side hustle? You are working in 9 to 5 and you're also earning in digital marketing or running a business. This is an economic decision. People are trading their free time just to earn more income. So the field isn't just about how much you have in your bank account. It's about how you can manage limited resources like your time, patience, skills, and money just to get the best possible outcome. The third myth is the fixed price mentality. So what's the fixed price mentality? In simple terms, the fixed price mentality is the erroneous belief that someone must lose for you to win. So my friends, this is where we'll pick up next time. What are your thoughts? Which of these myths can you relate to? I look forward to hearing from you very soon. And if you stayed till this second, don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Nigerian Tribune TV. And also check out our website at www.tribuneonlineng.com for various content across different issues, including economics. Until next time, I remain your host, Eunice Olaleye. Bye for now.